Conditional formatting is a logical feature in Excel that allows you to change the format of the cell according to a certain condition. Let's see how to do that. I want Excel to change the values in this column to green if the value says current, and to yellow if the value says savings. So we select them, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and here we choose format only cells that contain equal to savings. It doesn't matter if it's capital letter or small letter. It's not case sensitive, and the sequence does not matter as well. So I can start with savings or current, it doesn't matter. So we're starting with savings in this case. We type it down here and we go to format and choose the color yellow. Okay, and now it's changed to yellow. Select again the same range, conditional formatting, new rule, format only cells that contain equal to current, and change it to green. Now it's changed. Let's try to change this to current just to see what happens. It changed to green. Okay, so basically this is the simplest form of conditional formatting. Let's try to see the bar chart and the data bars and color scales. So the data bar basically visualizes the numbers mentioned in the cell according to the highest cell available in the selected range. In this case, this is the highest cell, and all the other values of the bars are percentages of that. So this number is 73% of that number. So the bar represents just that, 73% of this value. Let me show you another quick trick. Select the values, go click right, okay, use the right click, format cells, customs, and here just change that to 3 semicolons. The text will disappear. It will stay here, it's still there, okay, and Excel can read that and can see it, but we can't, it's hidden. But anyway, let me just put it back so we can continue. It's a currency and it's a dollar, do decimals, okay, so it's back. Now let's try to delete that and replace it with the other type of data visualization conditional formatting, the color scale. So what it does, takes the maximum number and color it with the darkest blue color, and the minimum number with the darkest red, and the numbers in between are the grades of that. It starts with dark blue, gradually going lighter until it reaches white, and then from white it goes to light red and then dark red. Of course you can change the colors if you want. This is Excel, of course you can change the colors, but I don't want to go through more details here. This is the basic conditional formatting forms. If you want to know more about that, please let me know, and definitely consider subscribing to my channel to know more and learn more about Excel, its functions, formulas, features, graphs, charts, and much more. Have a great day, stay productive, and happy learning.